Welcome.
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 Welcome to MJ Insurance.
Your journey to a better you is just beginning.
MJ exists to inspire the success,
fulfillment,
and well-being of each person we serve.
And that includes you.
That includes you.
That includes you.
You are now part of a culture of like-minded,
hardworking,
and purpose-driven people.
We're passionate.
We're inspiring.
Curious.
We're determined. Innovative.
And we're fun.
We want to be the very best at what we do.
We are a team.
Even when we have to work apart.
Each member of our team is valuable.
And we make sure that everyone has a voice.
So if you need help or have something to share, I'm here for you.
I'm here for you.
I'm here for you.
I'm here for you. We want you to find your true purpose in life.
And we'll do whatever we can to help you accomplish that purpose.
Both at work
and at home.
Because there are things in your life more important than your day job.
We'll help you stay focused on your own personal
and professional development.
And help you grow through learning opportunities.
Like MJ University,
MJ Connect,
and a healthier you. We want to see you and your family
grow and develop in positive ways
that you may have never even thought possible.
But most of all, we want to help you achieve your goals
and reach your dreams.
Let's build a better you.
And put your future in focus.
Together.
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 Welcome to MJ.